Learning to read is one of the most powerful skills a person can develop because it slowly changes the way you see the world and understand people, ideas, and even yourself. And it all begins with simple words that you read one step at a time with patience and focus. Imagine a quiet afternoon during summer when the sun is warm, the air is still, and you are sitting in a comfortable place with a small book in your hands. Reading slowly and clearly, giving attention to each word, each sound, and each meaning without any hurry or pressure. At the beginning, reading may feel confusing, and you may stop often to think or repeat a word again and again. But that is not a problem at all, because every learner grows by practicing daily and by not giving up when things feel difficult. Discipline plays a very important role in learning because it teaches you to stay consistent even on days when you do not feel motivated, and when you read every day, even for a few minutes, your mind becomes stronger, sharper, and more confident. You can make reading a daily habit by choosing simple and interesting topics such as short stories, facts about animals, or ideas about life. And when you read aloud, you not only improve your pronunciation but also build courage to speak in front of others. This word here is not pronunciation, it's pronunciation. Pronunciation. Next, education is not only about passing exams or getting marks, but it is about learning how to think clearly, how to understand others, and how to make good decisions in life. And reading is the first step toward all these skills. Even great leaders, teachers, and successful people started with basic reading, and they became better step by step through practice, effort, and belief in themselves. So, do not worry if you make mistakes. Do not feel shy if you read slowly. And do not stop if something feels hard, because every small effort you make today is building a strong and bright future for you. And one day, you will look back and feel proud that you started with courage and continued with determination.